One industry pulls in $108 billion. The other operates at $38.08 billion. Both tell stories, both capture reality, but only one is dominating the visual economy. Today, it's videography versus photography, and by the end of this, you'll know where the money, growth, and long-term power truly live. Right now, videography controls 74% of the $146 billion global visual media market, driven by streaming giants like Netflix and YouTube, where 80% of all internet traffic is video, according to Cisco. Photography holds 26%, anchored in e-commerce visuals across Shopify and Instagram, serving 70% of online retailers. But earnings reveal the gap. Videography professionals using Vimeo OTT average $90,000 per year from ad revenue shares, while photographers average $50,000 from stock sales on Getty Images. Growth widens the divide even more. Videography explodes at a 29.7% compound annual growth rate, fueled by short-form content for platforms like TikTok with 1.5 billion users, creating 500,000 new gigs worldwide. Photography grows at 4.8%, expanding toward $50 billion by 2029, supported by AI-enhanced mobile tools like Lightroom and social branding, adding 100,000 roles. Freelance rates reflect this momentum. Videographers earn $80 per hour for Reels editing on Upwork, up 35% year over year, while photographers average $50 per hour on Fiverr. Video scales better, generating 40% more income through recurring content series. Job opportunities follow the same pattern. Videography claims 60% of visual media jobs with 3% growth, unlocking 7,100 US openings annually. Premiere Pro editors face heavy competition with 120 applications per role. Photography holds 40% with 2% growth, offering 2,800 US roles, largely focused on event work. Entry-level studio videographers earn about $75,000, while photographers average $35,000 from weddings, with videography offering 25% higher remote flexibility. Salaries seal the difference. Videographers dominate 65% of premium earners with a $70,570 median salary, climbing to $95,000 for drone specialists across 50,000 US postings. Photographers hold 35%, averaging $42,520, peaking at $60,000, while competing against 200,000 global creators. Freelance videographers charge $90 per hour on TopTal, up 30%, compared to photographers' $40 per hour on 500px. Hybrid creators regularly exceed $100,000. In freelancing, videography captures 60% of the $30 billion visual gig economy, averaging $75,000 per year, powered by 30% more subscriptions from YouTube tutorials. Photography takes 40%, averaging $45,000, excelling in print sales on SmugMug. 45% of videographers freelance, compared to 25% of photographers. Passive income widens the gap. Top YouTube creators earn $4,000 per month, while photographers average $1,500 per shoot, with video producing 50% higher totals. Photography still shines in accessibility. It controls 26% of the tools market, about $10 billion, driven by Lightroom with 70% adoption and Photoshop used by 60% of professionals, powering 85% of edits and serving 5 million US users. Photographers charge $55 per hour, earning $60,000 full-time or $35,000 freelance, with beginner courses boosting rates 25%. Videography's editing ecosystem dominates 74% of the market, around $80 billion, led by Premiere Pro at 55% and DaVinci Resolve's 40% growth, supporting 300,000 daily uploads. Editors earn $70,000 a median, with 150,000 roles, charging $85 per hour, while elite creators sell NFT clips for $8,000 per month. Entry barriers differ sharply. Photography captures 40% of beginner roles, offering 50,000 low-barrier openings, starting at $30,000 with 80% remote work. Videography holds 60%, starts at $50,000, grows faster, and delivers a $25,000 income lift. Quick photo gigs yield $2,000 monthly, while certified video hybrids reach $110,000. AI reshapes everything. Videography shows 75% resilience, worth $81 billion, with tools like Runway ML boosting efficiency 60%, supporting $85,000 roles. Photography holds 25%, facing 40% automation, but real-world events drive 30% demand growth, sustaining $42,000 medians. Videographers license AI assets for $6,000 monthly, while photographers boost fees 25% with hybrid edits. In the end, videography controls 70% of elite earnings, a $100 billion tier, blending $70,000 salaries and $75,000 freelance income into $100,000 careers. Photography holds 30%, topping out near $60,000. The ultimate advantage belongs to hybrids earning $120,000, with 60% doubling their income. Photography captures moments. Videography captures attention, and attention builds empires.